Now a very simple example to solve the given system of equations using the Cramer's rule. Now given 2x minus y is equal to 17 and 3x plus 5y is equal to 6. So first thing is to evaluate d. Now d will be coefficients of x and y of both the equations, negative of 1 and 5. Now this is equal to 10 minus 1 into 3, this is equal to 13. Then dx is equal to, now changing the first column with the coefficient 17 and 6, with the constant term, and writing the coefficients of the variable y as it is. Now this becomes 17 times 5, negative of 1 with 6, this is equal to 85 plus 6 is equal to 91. dy is now first column as it is 2 and 3, and now writing the second column with the constant terms. Now this becomes 6, let me write it, 2 times 6, 2 times 6, negative of 3 times 17. Now this becomes is equal to negative of 39. Okay. Now x is equal to dx upon d, that is 91 upon 13, this is equal to 7. Y is equal to dy upon d, this is equal to negative of 39 upon 13, this is equal to negative of 3. Hence x is equal to 7, y is equal to negative of 3, this is the answer.